Every AI model, every political campaign, and every marketing strategy is fueled by data. But unless you're OpenAI, Google, or Meta, you are paying a small fortune for it. Well, not anymore. I'm continually amazed at what I find on the Bittensor ecosystem. I'm talking about access to X, YouTube, Reddit, 75% of the world's social conversations. Big tech, Web 2 companies have had a real edge when it comes to data. They've leveraged that data to make themselves a lot of money. I'm going to show you how you can bypass the Web 2 data monopoly and access 55 billion rows of data at a fraction of the price. Traditional APIs are costly and limited. Intro the Data Universe, the world's largest open source data repository, built on Bittensor SN13. So you know it's good. It's decentralized, growing at 1.1 billion rows a week, scraping YouTube, Reddit, and X. 75% of the social media conversations right there. Data fuels AI, LLMs, political research, business intelligence, research, and so much more. Subnet 13 now makes it all open and affordable. The key is the Gravity tool, an LLM-powered scraper that builds structured datasets in minutes. Let's run through a live scrape. Now you've got a number of options from the menu. You can create a new scrape. These are the scrapes that you've already created. And then you can go to the marketplace. The marketplace is full of a number of pre-populated datasets. So for example, we've got iPhone 17, you've got Bittensor and detailed ecosystem sentiment, Switzerland crypto adoptions, the China EV price war, Bitcoin sentiment index, you've got Gen Z meme culture, New Zealand housing market sentiment. Wow. I mean, it's all here. There's even South Korea K-pop comeback wave, because that is what the world needs. It needs a K-pop comeback wave. This has mainly been talked about on X. Something happened here. The 9th of November was a big day for K-pop. So for $1.12, you can get the sentiment across X and Reddit for K-pop. Is that not blowing your mind or what? And if you're not interested in K-pop, then get it for something you are interested in, like Ethereum network and market sentiment. $3.69 for sentiment across Reddit. It's amazing. The next thing I want to show you is just how easy it is to build these data sets. So you come up to here to new task, then you enter in a name, let's call it Bitcoin price predictions. Then we can put in a date range. Let's say we just want to look at this month, and then you choose if you want to look at Reddit, X, or YouTube. To save time, I'm just going to do one on X. So let's do a keyword, and let's go for Bitcoin and price and prediction. We add that. So we're going to search on 3 keywords, and then we just do launch data collection, and off it goes. It's going to bring up a screen to tell me that it's created a task, and you can see your progress estimation of the price. And this is great because it means that you can actually see before you buy how much your data collection is going to cost. And if you sign up with a new account on Data Universe, you automatically get a $5 credit. Link in the description below. Now, if you go to the data collection tab, you can see the data sets that you have generated. This is going to show the one that we just created, which is still running at the moment. It's been going for 24 minutes, so it does need a little bit of time to collect and scrape all the data. Here's one I created earlier that was on a shorter time range. I'll just show you what it looks like. You get this chart here. I just did it over 2 days. I just searched on Bitcoin price predictions, and there were 3 records, and didn't cost me anything. And I'll show you what it looks like. Preview data. So here you can see it actually pulls out the bits where those keywords were mentioned, and there are 3 records, all on the 18th. For each row of data, you also get the source here, so you can see exactly who it was that posted that particular comment. But this massive volume of data is completely useless without insight, and that's where 2 additional features will come in. The Sentiment Analysis Dashboard lets you track public opinion in real time, and the metadata enrichments provides additional insights like user counts and engagement metrics. How often is it updated? Well, every 30 seconds, so quite often. Data Universe is a foundational layer of decentralized AI. Partnerships with subnets like Score, which is sports forecasting, and Gaia, which is humanizing weather, show the power of open data in action. Potential applications for Data Universe's clean and high-volume data include AI model training and LLMs. Then you've got political applications, real-time policy validation and public opinion tracking. And then you've got marketing applications like discovering the next big trend or just finding out public sentiment on your products and brand. Data Universe proves that open, decentralized data can outperform traditional Web 2. Subnet 13 turns Bittensor's network intelligence into a living, accessible data layer that the whole world can build out on. If you've enjoyed this video, please do subscribe and check out my other videos on the Bittensor ecosystem. Till next time.